What's up, guys? For today's video, we already made some slime, but we're making slime. It might not work. So we have this toothpaste.
And we have Elmer's glue.
And we have
used sugar,
salt, pepper, and toothpaste. So it's actually, and red salt. Red salt. No, I mean red.
I'm just going to put this in.
No, you're not.
But look, it is already coming out.
Okay, just put it in.
I need to see if they can see it. That enough?
Yeah.
Never use this method, kids.
We are kids. Okay, that's enough. That's way too much. Okay, that's good.
Colgate.
Okay, now we're putting glue in.
It looks like little, what are they called again?
Okay, there. You don't know what slugs are called. Okay, there. I don't know what it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be like a purple or something. We might put food coloring in it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see.
Oh, it's turning into slime. It actually is.
Okay, can I mix it now?
It looks like a heart. What is this? Is this flesh?
It actually might turn gray. Okay.
I think it's flesh.
Don't listen to any YouTubers that put two colors together. It always turns gray like soon. Okay, here. That's my friend. So.
Oh! You need to try this.
Okay. I need to.
Like, I'm talking to the people that are watching.
No, I need to too. Wait, it's actually turning into slime. I don't know.
Yes, because it's not sticking very much.
Okay. You hold the camera. You hold the camera like that.
Hurry.